Minister of Foreign Affairs Carl Greenidge will lead a team to the 73rd United Nations General Assembly later this month in New York.
Minister Carl Greenidge said apart from the usual issues and presentations by the respective heads of states, several bilateral meetings will be held on the sidelines of the 73rd United Nations General Assembly, UNGA 73.
On this occasion, the President will not be participating in this session, so myself and the Foreign Affairs team will be attending and doing all the necessary. There are expected to be several bilateral meetings with member states across the globe. The member states from Europe, as well as Latin America and Africa at various levels. So that is one. There will, of course, be meetings on the side, Commonwealth Secretariat, and some of the international institutions.
In preparation for the renewal of the Cotonou Accord, the negotiators representing the 79 member countries of the African, Caribbean and Pacific ACP states will be hosting a meeting.
Further their positions and look at the memorandum prepared by the ACP ambassadors, and there will also be meetings within the groups, that is Caribbean and the Pacific together, and there's likely to be one with the Europeans. The significance of the Cotonou is something I always emphasize because it is the main source of concessional funding to the Caribbean in particular. That means grants, and then amounts are significant. So it's important that these negotiations be conducted.
Following the hosting of the UNGA 73, the minister explained several other meetings are scheduled to address issues such as trade, blue oceans, and to facilitate further discussions pertaining to the ACP states. The minister and team will be attending from September 24, when the UNGA will be holding a high-level plenary meeting on global peace in honor of the centenary of the birth of Nelson Mandela, known as the Nelson Mandela Peace Summit. For InfoHub, Stacey Carmichael.